I'm craving cinnamon rolls, but I really don't want to wait for them to rise, so we're making cinnamon roll cookies. I've never tried this before, but I just feel like what can go wrong? Starting off with 3/4 cup of butter, softened, and then 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I always do less, I'll probably do like a 1/2 cup. Whisk. It says to do this in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, but I don't want to get it out and I don't really want the noise of the mixer, so this is about medium speed on the mixer. Add in 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, but I'm using this, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix again. Now 2 1/4 cups of flour. Mix until just combined. It should be 15 by 10 inches. Now you're gonna spread on a 1/2 stick of really soft butter. Sprinkle on your cinnamon sugar mixture, which is 1/3 cup of brown sugar and then 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. It says to roll these into a ball. I'm gonna leave some like this and then roll the ugly ones into a ball. Freeze for 20 minutes. First batch, 350 for 17 minutes. Fresh out the oven. They didn't really spread, but they look pretty good. They're not super pretty, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and I think they are beautiful. This is what this one looks like, and this is like what the one that I turned into a ball looks like. The bottoms look delish. Look how they, that's what I wanted. I wanted them to fall apart like a cinnamon roll. Okay, here we go. Good. Look at that. And then the middle. Oh, I think I'm supposed to put icing on these. They don't need them, but let me drizzle some on. With the icing.